Carbide saw tip blanks from Hyperion are engineered to increase efficiency in saw blade manufacturing. Here are 3 ways Hyperion technology drives efficiency across the entire saw blade production process. Number 1. Consistent quality. Consistent material quality and tight dimensional tolerances reduce the risk of rework, defects, and process adjustments. Each tip delivers uniform performance, keeping production steady and on schedule. Number 2. Faster tool development. Developing innovative tools is faster with Hyperion's near-net shape geometries and specialized carbide and cermet grades. Reduced grinding of saw tip blanks shortens production cycles, while precise seat pocket control ensures smooth assembly and dependable bonding. From concept to prototype, each step moves faster and more efficiently. Number 3. Rapid validation. Advanced material analysis speeds up every stage of testing. Application expertise from a global team of engineers keeps quality consistent. With reliable data guiding each step, decisions come faster and new blades reach the market sooner. You can be confident these blades are ready to perform under demanding conditions. Visit www.hyperionmt.com/product/saw-tips to learn more about carbide saw tip blanks.